Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a classroom tour of my new classroom this year. I look like a hot mess. I was actually gonna straighten my hair for this video and like try to look cute, but I'm just gonna give it to you straight how it is. I've been sweating all day. I just finished my classroom and I really like it this year, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little tour. I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by the door. This is my door. Of course, we have the flag and our fire drill procedures. I have a little poster here that just talks about being positive and having a great day. This is my whiteboard. We always have the date, the standards, the objective, your essential question, and then our agenda over there on that side. It's focusing on my hand, but you get the point. Right now it's not filled out because I haven't even thought about my first day lesson plans, but we're getting there. Then I have these cute little posters that one of my coworkers gave me. She's so sweet. This is my first year teaching ELA, so I'm like getting the hang of things, and she lent me some nice posters. These are some posters that I got from Target, from the dollar section actually, and they came in clutch because I needed to fill up that little space. Then I became a little cricketer this year, and I made these letters. It says Reading Plus, and then my theme for my classroom this year is cactus, so it says can't touch this with a little cactus, and this is where all their data of Reading Plus is going to be. It's obviously not up there yet because we haven't started the school year. Then I got this little cart. One of my students actually donated to me the first year. This is from Amazon, and it's just kind of where I keep all my colors, and then on the bottom we have construction paper as well. I have a little poster here on how to choose the right book that goes along with my bookshelf. It's a little empty right here, but it's getting there. We're gonna fill it up soon. These are actually things that I got from my internship, and I always post it. This was actually one of my first internship classes. One of the students made me, and I thought it was so cute, so I always post it and keep it. This was my second internship. One of the little girls got me a Valentine's Day gift, and I love it. Now, if you know me, you know that this is like my favorite quote in the world. So I always post this every year just so that kids can see, like, you should never quit your daydream. If you know that you want to do something, never quit it. And then this is also another little cart that my students donated. I actually would love to use this more often. I don't really use it that often, but this year I'm going to put it to use somehow, so that's there as well. On this little back table, I have a little bit of a mess here because it's like my copy paper and some Scholastic magazines that I have to figure out what to do with. I actually just put these curtains up. I'm pretty proud of myself. This is why I'm sweating, because I was out here drilling holes, but we got those up. And then this is kind of like my supply area, so I have my cleaning supplies, hole punchers, staplers, sharpeners. These are my 10 iPads, the phone, the printer. This is where students are going to be turning in their assignments, and then any extra papers that I have, I'll be posting here. Then here, one of my friends gave me this as well, just different types of writing. This is like my little section of when you're absent, you come over to this corner and you kind of checked what you missed. So I have it by day here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then depending what day they missed, there will be like handouts or whatever it is that they were doing in class in those folders. And then on this calendar, I'm also going to be writing what we did that day so that kids can just come here and it's their responsibility to figure out what we did while they weren't here. Then this whiteboard, I haven't decided yet what I'm going to be doing there. Probably this is where I'm going to be teaching my lessons. Like if I have to write anything, it will be there. I'm not sure if I want to use that whiteboard or this whiteboard. I'll kind of figure that out once I see how much things I need to be posting. Then I have those two posters as well, just talking about the different genres of literature and then the elements of a novel or a short story. And then this little poster here I also got from Target on the dollar section. Then I have the little filing cabinet. This is where the students' work are going to be filed. The teacher that was here before me actually had this marble contact paper already on it, and I loved it, so I decided to keep it. And then my friend actually got me this for my birthday, and I just went ahead and put a little quote. I'm not a fan of the quote right now. I kind of want to change it, but it's just hard to work with like the space and the actual letters that I have. So for now, it's just going to be dream big and read. Next we have my smartboard. Obviously this is where a lot of our videos are going to be seen, and any interactive lessons will be on the whiteboard as well, which I love having. I'm blessed for having that in my school. Then I have my word wall. This is kind of just a poster that instead of saying these common words that we use like nice, good, bad, they just give a lot of different synonyms that students can use. So I love this because I myself always are thinking like, what's another word I can use for this? And this can definitely help. And then this is where I'm going to be posting our vocabulary for like each lesson. So as the lessons go by, I'll be rolling the paper and writing different vocab terms. I like my little vocab wall. Then I have this little desk here. This is just a little supply section for me. My friend actually gave me this for my birthday as well. They always give me teacher supplies and I love it because I get to post it all over my classroom. That actually turns on, and funny because I have an Instagram that I'll put right here, and it says the lit teach. That's my username. So I always make fun of this because it's like a literature teacher, you know. So here I'll be filing some stuff, a countdown to the vacation days. Coworker that I love so much, she gave me this for Christmas, I think, or my birthday, and a little welcome sign, little pencils. I still have to fill up these little trinkets, I guess. Then I have another table. I have so many tables this year, I know. This is just where I'm going to be keeping like my Sharpies, my highlighters, my pens. I also have this little picture of Lenny and I love you so much, Len. And then just little jars that I have to go ahead and fill out on the bottom. Then this is my bulletin board this year. Again, my theme is cactus, so mine's grow here with the little cactuses on the bottom. This is where I'm going to be putting my student work up. So obviously any spectacular students that I think should be posted up in the classroom, this is where I would post it. Then this is just storage space on the bottom. My closet is actually filled with different supplies that I can show you. I tried to be a little organized. I try. So this is just like all my supplies that if I ever need extra, I can come in here and get. Next, I have a little whiteboard that I'm going to be putting like just specific announcements, any events that are coming up, any important flyers that they may have to take home. I'll go ahead and put that up on the magnetic board as well. I have my little clock, and then these are just, this year we're doing a proficiency-based learning. I think somebody's knocking on my door, but I'm not sure. A proficiency-based learning assessment. So, hi. I'm taking a video. What's up?
Garbage.
Sorry, somebody knocked on my door to help me, so I had them move the books to the corner for now, just so that it's not like in the middle of the classroom. But that's gonna be just textbooks that are being handed out to the kids, I believe, so that'll be gone soon. Then here we're doing a proficiency-based learning this year, so my standards need to be up here, and just like a little goal setting whenever the kids master a standard, there's gonna be charts here, and they'll get like stars every time they master a standard, so I think that's pretty cute too. I did this with the Cricut as well. And then this is just like small storage that I'm going to be putting any flyers that I have to get or anything like that. But yeah, this is the overall view of my classroom. I really do love it this year. I love my theme, which was so hard to maintain because I feel like last year there were so many cactus accessories for teachers, and this year there was nothing. So I struggled to find cactus things, but my friends helped me out. Oops, I almost dropped my camera. My friends helped me out and gave me some cactus stuff. I ended up cricketing a lot of the little cactus things that you see. So yeah, I really like my classroom. I'm really excited for this year. It's my first year teaching ELA, so I'm nervous, but this is what I studied, so I obviously have to get into it. If you didn't know me before, I taught speech and debate and film and literacy, so it's kind of like English electives, which made me become a lot more proficient in my teaching, because you know, you still deal with reading, you still deal with the language and all that stuff. So now I'm ready to teach ELA, and I'm teaching 8th grade this year, so I'm really excited. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my classroom. If you have any ideas that I can do as well, please comment down below. I'm always open to new ideas. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.